Hello guys, LinuxDaily back with another video. This is a distro review. It's number 4 in the series. We're taking a look at MX17 Linux. Alright, I'm going to pick this MX17 64 on the top. And it's going to go ahead and boot. This is running in a virtual box. I don't know how that's going to affect everything. It looks like it's working just fine. Looks like everything's slowly coming up. Alright. MX17 Horizon. It's a fast, friendly, stable OS load of amazing tools and supported by a great community. That's nifty. This is running on the XFCE desktop. So, yeah. I'm going to click install because we're going to install this, and I'm going to do a few customizations, see how all that works out. Click next. Choose disk for installation. I'm just going to choose this, my little thing. I'm going to have it select the entire disk. And then just click OK. Yep. Alright. This might take a little while. It is currently installing, so I'll get back to you when it is complete. I'm pretty sure it's going to ask us for root passwords and usernames at the end, so I'll get back to you when it is complete. Alright, it looks like it wants us to install the grub menu. I'm going to install it to the master boot record just because it's the default, not the root partition. I'm just going to keep it there. And yes, install an SDA because that's the only virtual hard disk I have installed in this virtual machine. I haven't really seen a Linux distribution ask that kind of a question. I'm just going to select the defaults, make it easy. Alright, here we go. I'm going to LinuxDaily, because that's me. And then I'm just going to keep it like that. Keep that at its defaults. This looks fine. Here we go. User accounts and all that. So, LinuxDaily, very secure password. And then root password. We have the option to encrypt the home, auto login, and then save live desktop changes. So that's nifty. You could save the changes that you made in here. I didn't make any changes, so I've never seen that in a Linux distribution install. So I'm going to click next. Username needs to be lowercase. Alright, so I guess this is going to be one that's going to be lowercase. I think I like that one. Alright, it wants us to support them now with donations. MXLinux installation and configuration is complete. To use a new installation, reboot. Alright, I want to reboot now. So I'm going to take out the Alright. Remove the disk and press enter. Doesn't want to press enter, so I'm just going to do it the hard way. This is a virtual machine. Alright, here's our grub menu. It's customized for MXLinux. Our options are MX Horizon, Advanced, and then various memory tests. So I'm just going to pick the first one, the default one. and it is going to boot. Kind of looks like an Arch Linux boot screen. Alright, type in a very secure password to log in. And we are currently logged on to our new MXLinux installation. There's an option to show this dialog at startup. I will not select that. I'm just going to keep it plain and simple. This is our little Windows kind of like start menu. See what packages it has. LibreOffice is pre-installed. If I could find a full applications menu, that would be great. I'm not gonna all. Alright. Accessibility, Adobe Flash, ALSA Audio, CD Ripper, Archive Manager. So it has a lot of neat. Here's your ebook reader, notes, like a text editor. Now this distribution is built off of Debian, so it has the apt package manager. Yep. So you type in sudo apt update, it's gonna update. That's how you update. To install, it's the same thing, but install and then a package. I'm just gonna pick screen fetch. It's probably because it needs to be updated. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Alright, so we get hard disk usage, your CPU usage on this nice background. What else do we got for backgrounds? Type in theme. I'm just gonna go to settings. I've never really messed with this Linux distribution, nor XFCE. I'm usually more KDE. I don't know if I'm in the right space. Yeah, I really don't know. I'm not going to worry about that for right now. So it looks like it has some games installed. Oh, here's our settings. Alright. Still not finding it. There's where you change your system sounds. Alright, let's look in this MX tweaks. Theme, here we go. So yeah, I like that. I like that. Matches the start menu. So we have various different themes. I don't quite like that. I'm just gonna go back to the light theme. Panel. Alright, so that's closest to what Windows would look like. Appearance. Just got to do a little bit of looking around. Change your fonts there. Icons, you could pick a different icon theme. I frankly like the one that comes pre-installed. Toolbar icons, you could use text under icons. I'm just gonna pick that. You have the gnome icon theme, which is interesting. That is nice. This does look like a nice operating system. Compositor. You can use Compton on here. Nice. Fix hex chat input. I don't use hex chat, so I'm not gonna worry. Let's check window manager. Configure window behavior. Oh, this is where you could you're customizing. You check all that. You have your title. I like my title in the center. What that means is if you pick it to the left, your title up here is going to be over there. Center, and then you know right. You can pick different fonts for the title. Keyboard. You can pick different little gestures, if you would call it, like Alt F4 to close windows and all that. Focus follows mouse. Alright. This is a neat feature. Let's open up a file manager. See what I mean? If I go over here, it focuses over here. I like that. I'm still not quite sure on how to change the desktop background on this Linux distribution. You might be able to do it in this menu. Desktop settings. Here you go. Got a lot of pretty looking backgrounds. I'm gonna go with this background. Panel preferences. Alright, so that's neat. Solid color. You could pick a hideous color for a panel. So it is fairly customizable, more customizable in Windows 10. Multi-desktop. I don't see the point in that, but some people like it. Terminal. I don't know why there's like 3 different terminals. What's the difference? So yeah, that's just about it. MXLinux, built off Debian, includes the XFCE. It's nor a heavyweight distribution or a lightweight. It's kind of in the middle, so it'll probably be good for a laptop. I have this customized so bad, but other than that, I feel like it's fairly customizable for some of the stuff I was looking at. It's built off Debian, so it's stable unless you delete the root directory or something stupid and break it, but most people are smart enough not to do that. Firefox is your default browser, as is like most distributions. So yeah, it includes a YouTube client. That's nifty. VLC is your media player, and then Clementine is your little internet radio kind of thing. I've never used it, don't plan on it. So yeah, that's just about it. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And yep, catch you in the next distro review.